Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering how to move your Chainlink tokens from your Arculus Wallet to Robinhood, especially with the latest updates in 2025. Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through it step by step. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups like fees or delays. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet app and the Robinhood app installed on your device, and that you're logged in securely. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet. This is your secure hardware wallet, so ensure it's connected and unlocked. Navigate to your dashboard where you can see all your assets. Look for Chainlink. It's probably listed as Link. Once you find it, select the amount you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transactions aren't instant, so plan ahead. Step 2. Generate or copy your withdrawal address. In Arculus, go to the Send or Withdraw section. You'll need to specify the network. Chainlink typically uses Ethereum, so select that if prompted. Copy the recipient address from Robinhood. We'll get to that in a bit. Now, head over to the Robinhood app. Step 3. In Robinhood, go to your crypto section and find the deposit or transfer option. Select Chainlink as the asset you want to receive. Robinhood will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy that carefully, as it's case sensitive. Step 4. Back in Arculus, paste the Robinhood address into the recipient field. Double-check everything. The address, the amount, and the network to ensure compatibility. Hit Send, and you'll be prompted to confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. In 2025, blockchain speeds have improved, but it could still take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, check your Robinhood account to see if the Chainlink has arrived. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Chainlink. A quick tip. Always be aware of any gas fees involved in the transaction, as they can add up. If you're new to this, consider practicing with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.